Hello everyone. In last class we studied about the thermodynamic potentials. In this class we are going to learn about the Maxwell's thermodynamic relations. Okay? Maxwell's thermodynamic relations can be derived using the thermodynamic potentials called the internal energy, Helmholtz free energy, enthalpy and the Gibbs function. Maxwell's four thermodynamic relations are the relations between the four thermodynamic quantities: pressure, volume, temperature and entropy. Okay, now we are going learn one by one. The first one is the internal energy. Okay, what is internal energy? Internal energy is the sum of the kinetic energy and the potential energy. Okay, from the first and second law of thermodynamics, change in internal energy of the thermodynamic of the system is given by du is equal to dq minus dw. Here dq is the total heat supplied and dw is the external work done. Okay, and du is the change in internal energy. Then we have the value of dq and dw. Du is equal to T ds minus P into dV. Okay, now take the partial differentiation of internal energy with respect to the entropy S and volume V. We get dou u by dou s at V is equal to T and dou u by dou V at S is equal to minus P. Okay, these are most important. Then du is the perfect differential. Du is the perfect differential. Therefore, we get the relation dou by dou V of dou u by dou s at V bracket complete at S is equal to dou by dou s at of dou u by dou V at S bracket complete at V. Then put the value of dou u by dou s at V is equal to T and dou u by dou V at S is P. Okay, putting this we get the relation dou V by dou T by dou V at S is equal to dou P by dou S at P. This is the Maxwell's third thermodynamic relation. Okay, then next part is Helmholtz free energy. Okay, Helmholtz free energy is given by F is equal to U minus Ts. Here U is the internal energy, T is the temperature, S is the entropy. Now differentiating this equation we get dF is equal to du minus T ds minus S into dt. Okay, but the value of du we already learned. Du is equal to T ds minus P into dV. Okay, then put the value of du in equation. We get dF is equal to T ds minus P dV minus T ds minus S into dt. Okay, now make cancellations. Plus T ds minus T ds get cancelled and the remaining terms are dF is equal to minus P dV minus S into dt. Okay, now take the partial differential of F with respect to temperature and volume. We get dou F by dou T at V is equal to minus T and dou F by dou V at T is equal to minus of P. Okay, remember it. Then here dF is the perfect differential. Okay, now we get the equation dou by dou V of dou F by dou T at V bracket complete at T is equal to dou by dou T of dou F by dou V at T of at T V. Using the equation, the value of these two, put it in equation, we get dou S by dou V at T is equal to dou P by dou T at V. This is the Maxwell's first thermodynamic relation. Okay, in this class we study the two Maxwell's thermodynamic relations. In next class we study other remaining two Maxwell's thermodynamic relations. Okay, I hope you all get it properly. Thank you.